So I personally believe that this is a shockwave related piece of information that I'm about to give to you. It has to do with, as you can see on the screen, BlackRock and their Bitcoin ETF. But what it really comes down to, and what I'm going to show you in this video, is the fact that this is starting to open the proverbial floodgates to institutional money coming in. Let me explain to you why that's a big deal. You and I are retail money. We're retail investors, right? Institutional money is institutions. It's large organizations, whale organizations, all these kind of things. It's institutional money, big money, trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. Okay. So that's why this Bitcoin ETF is creating this scenario where you have all these institutions are now waking up the fact that BlackRock, the largest mutual fund out there with $10 trillion under management, they're taking notice. Okay. And that's what I want to convey to you, and I'm going to share with you. Now, before I do that, this video is sponsored by my friends over at Grape, and I need to show you real quick what they got on. There's a link in the description below to their website. Check it out. They are an AI Web4 layer 1 blockchain that is in pre-sale, pre-distribution right now. Okay. So you can get in on the pre-sale. They are going to have 10 million tokens only, period. That's less than Bitcoin. Okay. Their go-to-market price is going to be probably $80 or so. And right now in pre-sale, I think their strike price is around $27 per coin. So there's a link down below to their registration. It's free to register, create an account, all that kind of stuff. And let me show you, in previous videos, I've been talking about this, the fact that I was going to invest myself, and I have. Okay. So right here, you can see my contribution is $5,500, and you can see that these are my GRP tokens. Now I got a 10% bonus on my investment. So I got 10% additional in GRP tokens. And I also got a bonus in GGT, which is their governance token. Okay. So I'm showing you this, quite frankly, to show you that I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Okay. Yes, this is a sponsored video from Grape, but I'm also investing my own money. I firmly and fundamentally believe in what these guys are going to be doing. And I think that this is one of those that's just worth your time. Run it through your own due diligence. Check it out. Links in the description below. Okay. So back to what we were talking about, the fact that BlackRock is doing this, okay, pushing Bitcoin to an inflection point. Okay. Really my point of this whole video was to really talk about institutional money and talk about the fact that there's these outside analytic firms, and this one happens to be Glassnode, has noted that share of Bitcoin supply held and traded by U.S. entities is witnessing a significant rise since BlackRock, the world's largest investment firm with over 10 trillion assets under its management, first filed for its Bitcoin ETF. That's it. That's the lead story. That's the point of the video. Okay. Is the fact that because of BlackRock being, and by the way, they've had like 550 ETFs or like 565 ETFs that they've applied to for the SEC, and only one of them has been turned down. Okay. So it's crazy. They have a 99% success rate in being approved for their different ETF funds. Now, this is a little bit different. It's a Bitcoin, but this is the company, the organization that I think can do it. But again, the point here is that because BlackRock doing this, you're now seeing U.S. entities, institutional money, starting to put money into Bitcoin, altcoins, et cetera, right? It's going to start with Bitcoin. Then it's going to go to Ethereum, and then it's going to go to the other major altcoins. Okay. So that's why I think that this is something you need to be aware of. This is a huge piece of news that I think ultimately is quietly sending shockwaves. The people that are paying attention, like me and you and I, are now aware of this. And there you go. So with that, don't forget, take a look at Grape down below. The link to the registration page is down there. So definitely, it's free to create an account. Check them out. Run it through your own due diligence. All right. Thanks, Grape, for sponsoring today's video. All right. I'll see you. Bye.